to declare northern Somalia independent from the rest of the country. With the support of some foreign powers, the clique concocted.
Did you hear that speech of General Mohammed Farah Aididi talking to Museveni? Since 1992, President Museveni of Uganda and Uganda, they have always supported a united Somalia. President Museveni from this day he has said a united Somalia is stronger and better for the region than a disunited Somalia based on clanism. President Museveni has pushed this, but Somaliland has rejected Museveni's talks for a united Somalia. And Ethiopia, this is what it wants. A disunited Somalia is better for Ethiopia. That's why Ethiopia right now, after Somalia joining the East African community, Ethiopia is playing tricky games to see that Somalia gets disunited by signing a treaty with Somaliland. Somalian allowed to subscribe.